Hey kids! Today's a big showdown between two of the world's most beloved dogs, the Golden Retriever and the Labrador Retriever. They're both adorable. They're both loyal. But who makes the better best friend? Let's find out. Golden Retrievers have long, flowing golden hair that shines like sunshine. They usually come in shades of cream, gold, or even reddish gold. They're soft, fluffy, and always look like they just stepped out of a shampoo commercial. Labradors have short, smooth coats that come in 3 colors: yellow, black, and chocolate. They're sporty, sleek, and always ready to play fetch. Goldens are gentle, patient, and love hugs. They're the perfect cuddle buddies. Labradors are full of energy. They love running, swimming, and chasing balls. They're like furry athletes. Golden likes to play and then chill. Labrador plays and then plays even harder. Both love the water. Golden Retrievers look elegant when they swim, like doggy ballerinas. Labradors, they splash around like wild water rockets. Labradors are super smart and easy to train. That's why they're often guide dogs or search and rescue heroes. Golden Retrievers are clever too, and very eager to please. They'll do anything for a treat or a belly rub. Both Goldens and Labs are amazing with children. They're gentle, playful, and very patient, like big, fluffy siblings who never get tired of playing. So, who's the better best friend? Golden Retrievers are sweet, soft-hearted, and full of sunshine. Labradors are fun, sporty, and always ready for action. But the truth is, you can't go wrong with either. Whether you love to snuggle or sprint, there's a perfect pup for you. So, which team are you on? Team Golden or Team Labrador? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, every dog deserves love and every child deserves a furry best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more adorable puppy stories.